Did you know that in the United States, a bicycle is stolen approximately every 30 seconds? It's nearly 2 million bikes taken annually, totaling about $350 million in losses. Even more concerning, less than 5% of stolen bikes are ever recovered and returned to their owners. This is why bike locks are an absolute necessity, especially if you're in a high-risk area or plan to leave your bike outside for long periods of time. But not all locks are created equally. Some locks prioritize lightweight design and easy portability, while others focus on maximum security to resist even the most determined theft attempts. So how do you choose the right one for your needs? Today we're going to dive into our top 5 bike lock recommendations. From the heaviest duty U-locks to portable folding locks and even lightweight cable locks, I'll walk you through each one, explaining what makes them stand out. Now by the end of this video, you'll have a better idea of which lock best fits your cycling routine, and most importantly, keeps your bike secure. Number 1, the Kryptonite New York Mini U-Lock. Security level 10 out of 10. When it comes to bike locks, Kryptonite is a household name, and for good reason. This brand has been around for years, providing serious security for cyclists everywhere. The Kryptonite New York Mini U-Lock is one of their best, and it's a top choice for riders who want a lock that will stand up to any thief. First off, the security rating of this lock is a perfect 10 out of 10 on Kryptonite's scale. That's a huge deal because it means this lock has been tested against some of the toughest attack methods, like cutting, prying, and twisting. The 18mm hardened steel shackle is strong enough to resist bolt cutters and most prying attempts, making it a reliable choice for bike security. So if you're locking your bike in an area known for bike theft, this is one lock that can give you peace of mind. What sets this U-lock apart from the rest is its patented locking mechanism. The double deadbolt design gives you extra protection against twisting attacks, which is a common method that thieves use to try and snap locks open. And let's not forget the steel sleeve over the crossbar, which provides an extra layer of defense. This reinforcement helps distribute force more evenly, making it harder for thieves to break the lock using cutting tools or leveraging attacks. With all these security features, your bike has a much better chance of staying where you left it. Now, on top of that, Kryptonite offers a key safe program. So if you lose your keys, they'll send you replacements for free, no questions asked. There's also anti-theft protection, where you can get up to $5,000 if your bike gets stolen while properly locked with this product. So if you're serious about security, this lock is definitely worth considering. The only downside is that it's heavy, weighing in at about 4.5 pounds, but that's the trade-off that you get for top-notch protection. If you don't mind carrying a bit of extra weight for peace of mind, this lock's a no-brainer. Number 2, Hiplok DX Wearable U-Lock. Security level, sold, secure, diamond rated. Now, if you're someone who rides in the city or travels with your bike often, you probably appreciate convenience and portability. That's where the Hiplok DX Wearable U-Lock comes in. This lock combines serious security with a wearable design, making it one of the best locks for urban commuters or anyone who doesn't want to carry a bulky lock around. What's really cool about the Hiplok DX is its clip plus ride system. Unlike most U-locks that require you to mount them to your bike frame, this lock is designed to be worn. You can clip it to your belt, bag, or pocket, so there's no need to worry about a bulky lock bouncing around while you ride. The whole lock is lightweight, weighing just over 2 pounds, and it's incredibly easy to carry. Security-wise, the Hiplok DX is sold, secured, diamond rated, meaning it's been tested and certified to withstand even the toughest attacks. The 14mm hardened steel shackle is designed to stay firmly in place thanks to the special locking tabs that prevent thieves from twisting it open. Plus, the lock cylinder is built to resist picking and drilling, adding another layer of security against common theft attempts. Plus, it comes with 3 replaceable keys, so you're covered if you lose them. The Hiplok DX is perfect for city cyclists who need a high security lock, but they don't want to deal with the hassle of carrying a big, bulky lock. This lock is perfect for quick stops like grabbing a coffee or running errands, offering solid security without adding extra bulk. Number 3, Kryptonite Evolution Mini 7 U-Lock with KryptoFlex cable. Security level, high. Now, if you want a lock that offers serious protection, but you also want the convenience of a cable to secure your accessories, the Kryptonite Evolution Mini 7 U-Lock with KryptoFlex cable is an excellent option. This lock offers the best of both worlds. It's a U-Lock for solid frame protection and a cable for securing your front wheel, helmet, or any other gear. The 13mm hardened steel shackle is built to resist cutting and prying, while the high security disc style style cylinder protects against picking and drilling. It also features a reinforced crossbar, which gives extra protection against twisting and cutting attacks. And with the added KryptoFlex cable, you can lock up your front wheel and accessories, which is a nice bonus for anyone who rides with gear. Now, one of the standout features of this lock is the Kryptonite flex frame U-bracket, which makes it easy to carry the lock on your bike without adding too much bulk. The reinforced cuff over the crossbar and cylinder adds extra durability, making this lock a great choice for city cycling and longer term parking. It's not the lightest lock out there, but for the added protection and versatility it offers, it's a solid choice for riders who need to secure more than just their bike frame. Next, we have the FoldyLock Forever, a high security folding lock that's perfect for anyone who needs maximum protection for their bike. Rated 18 out of 18, sold secure gold, this lock is built to withstand cutting, drilling, and sawing, and it's designed to provide the ultimate bike protection. What makes the FoldyLock Forever unique is its foldable design. The lock unfolds to 35.4 inches, providing a flexible, secure way to lock your bike to a rack or other fixture. Despite its heavy-duty security, it's surprisingly compact and easy to carry. The lock comes with a mounting bracket that attaches to your bike frame, so you can carry it without hassle. The lock is built with anti-tamper rivets, which makes it significantly harder for thieves to pry apart. These rivets add extra strength to the lock structure, making it more resistant to cutting tools like bolt cutters, hacksaws, and even freeze attacks, where thieves use compressed air to weaken metal and break it easily. Now, beyond security, the lock is also waterproof, meaning rain, snow, and dirt won't cause rust or interfere with its performance over time. This is crucial for cyclists who store their bikes outdoors or ride in various weather conditions. Another small but useful feature is its rattle-free design, which prevents the lock from making noise while you ride or scuffing up your bike. Unlike some locks that clang against the frame, this one stays secure and silent, making for a smoother and quieter biking experience. Now, the FoldyLock Forever is perfect for anyone who needs top-tier protection in an easy-to-carry package. If you're in a high-risk area or just want the confidence that your bike is secure, this lock provides strong protection against theft. And at number 5, we have the Titanker bike lock cable. Security level, moderate. Now let's talk about something a little more lightweight and affordable. The Titanker bike lock cable. This is a budget-friendly option that's perfect for casual riders or anyone who needs something quick and easy. The 4-foot cable is flexible, and the 4-digit combination lock means you don't have to worry about keeping track of keys. The Titanker bike lock is a great choice if you're not leaving your bike in high-risk area for long periods of time. Now, it's definitely not going to stand up to a determined thief with heavy-duty tools, but it's perfect for quick stops in low-risk environments. Think about locking your bike while you go to grab a coffee or run into a store for a few minutes. This will do the job. Now, one of the main selling points of this lock is its keyless convenience. There's no fumbling around with keys, and the resettable combination lets you set your own personal code, which is easy to change if needed. The flexible steel cable is designed to resist cutting, but honestly, if the thief had the time and the tools, they could probably get through it. The lock comes with a mounting bracket, so you can easily attach it to your bike when you're not using it. And because the cable is so lightweight, it's portable and easy to carry around. However, if you're looking for something to secure your bike in a high theft area, you might want to look for something more heavy duty. So this lock is great for casual riders who need a quick solution for securing their bikes in safer areas. It's definitely not the strongest option out there, but it's affordable, convenient, and gets the job done for low risk scenarios. So which lock is right for you? Picking the right bike lock comes down to how much security you need, how portable you want it to be, and what fits your budget. If you're riding in high theft areas, something heavy duty like the Kryptonite New York Mini U-Lock or the Hiplok DX Wearable U-Lock will give you serious peace of mind. If you prefer lightweight and portable, options like the Titanker bike lock cable or FoldyLock Forever are definitely worth considering. And if you want a balance of security and flexibility, the Kryptonite Evolution Mini 7 with KryptoFlex cable offers a great mix of both. Now, ultimately, the best lock is the one that fits your lifestyle. If you're commuting daily, portability might matter more. If you leave your bike locked up outside for long periods, security should be the top priority. No matter what, investing in a quality lock now can save you from the headache and cost of replacing a stolen bike later. It's really a small price to pay for peace of mind. And if you spend so much money on your bike, you might as well pay a little money to protect it. Now, if you want to check out any of the locks we covered today, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. Now, these commissions help us keep bringing you the best product recommendations and deals. So if you end up using those links, we really appreciate the support. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a great deal. Here on Epic Deals, we're all about finding top-rated products at the best prices, covering everything from tech to fitness, home essentials, and even bike locks. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.